and welcome to today's Peaky Card reading. Today's topic is how are men viewing you these days. For that, today we have four piles. Pile number one, pile number two, pile number three, and pile number four. Another time, one, two, three, and four. Now let's get started. And guys, before we start, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your support would mean the world to me. Now let's get started. Hello, hello, pile one. Let's see how are men viewing you these days. Okay, the first one from the tea leaf tarot, tea leaf cards is pale, time to get out of a situation. Okay, let me just arrange them. Mountain, major challenge to overcome. Okay, needle and thread, a sincere wish would be granted. Okay, parrot, someone will gossip about all your secrets. All right. Moon, changes in your life. All right. So, with all this, first of all, what I'm getting is you guys have been stuck in a situation for a long time and you are either getting out of it or you have just gotten out of a difficult scenario in your life. For sure, a lot of you have gotten out of a very difficult, trying time in your life, and you overcame some major obstacles, some literally a mountain of obstacles and impediments were like literally thrust in front of you by life. And a sincere, you know what, I'm seeing a lot of you had the courage and the motivation to work, and with that courage and motivation you guys overcame the challenges that life had thrown at you, and men see you as a very courageous person, somebody who doesn't give up easily, who in spite of all the impediments keep on fighting. A lot of people are actually gossiping about you right now. I'm seeing, you know what, guys? People gossip about you when you stand out, when you're doing something awesome. And you guys are actually creating a difference in your life. You guys are changing your life. You guys are changing your life for better, for sure. Bouquet, compliments from an admirer. A lot of men are actually complimenting you because you know what, you are becoming very, you have become very attractive, extremely desirable. There is a lot of change, both physical reality and materialistic reality in your life, coming from a place of hardship you guys have been through. From there, this change is was much awaited, and people, some people are gossiping and some people are literally very happy. A lot of these men are actually very happy for you. You are being highly thought of. Literally, you are men see you as somebody who is a very high value person, individual. Money path, a path with money is awaiting for you to find it. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are literally are walking on your path to abundance. Literally, that's what, and men feel that you are going to make it really big. The maiden, wow, you guys are being seen, are, you know, it shows a lot of vitality, loads of fertility, vitality, vivaciousness, sensuality. So men think of you as somebody who is, they see you as somebody who is extremely sensuous, desirable. They think very highly of you, and they also feel that you are a very fertile person, both like I'm talking biological, at the same time, you know, you are a very innovative person. It can also show a very innovative, out of the box thinker. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and that will make such a huge difference to me. All right, the death card number 13. I'm seeing some major transformation happening in your life. You guys have been put through some major transformation by life, and that is like you guys have literally transformed yourself into this diamond after going through a lot of hardship and challenges, and men see you as a diamond in the rough today. You guys have turned the wills of your destiny in your favor. You guys have literally, number 10 in tarot shows restart. You guys have in a way restarted your life, your instincts, your creativity. People, especially men, see you as a very intuitive person. A lot of you could be Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Very feminine, intuitive, instinctive, also very creative. A lot of you could be good artists and crafters, crafty people. I can see men really respect that quality. You are a driven person. You are a go-getter in life. Like, really, you know what you want out of your life, and you have no problem going after it full throttle. Yeah, the Chariot card. You know what? You are so focused. Life has given a lot of lemons, but you are one of those people who believes in making lemonades out of all the lemons that life throws at you. Literally, you are one of those people who always have taken the adversities in their stride and have made an opportunity out of the adversities that life has thrown at them. You are one of those kind of people. Ace of Wands, with your own passion, determination, you guys have created a life for yourself, a life that is worth living, a life which is very respectable, where people look up to you. Men, literally, they are saluting the success and the efforts that you have put in. You are, okay, Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords back to back. You are extremely passionate about your work. You're very driven, passionate, determined. It's your passion, determination that men view you with so much of respect. I'm seeing you tend to intimidate a lot of men as well. But men see you with a lot of respect. They gossip about you because they feel that you are way beyond their league. Most of the guys around you, they probably feel that you're way above their league, because I'm seeing very, the surface is very gentle, very feminine, very I'm seeing beautiful, like more not sharp features, rather rounded features, more beautiful rounded features, more curvy body, longer hair or wavy hair, beautiful large eyes. Water signs tend to have beautiful expressive eyes, and you typically have that. King of Wands, yeah, you are a go-getter. Like, I'm seeing you guys have a lot of Wands energy, a lot of Sagittarius, Aries, and Leos as well, like water and fire signs. Okay, so there is a contrast in your energies. You have a go getter, proactive, productive in a go mode. You have one facet in that way. Another person in you is who knows what their worth is, and they have no problem standing up against all that. If you believe in something, you have the guts to stand up and speak out. You are a person who has always been very hardworking. Men see you as a very hardworking person. You guys actually grew up working very, very hard. A lot of you literally had to work so hard that for you now, the stability that you have gained in your life is something that you cherish. You always tend to stand up against injustices. A lot of you could be related to the law, paralegal, advocate, lawyer, also some kind of advocacy that you do, child rights activism that you do, or you're known for your strong opinions. You're known for having the guts to speak up against the injustices. Men really, really respect that. Men view your lifestyle as abundant. You are a person who leaves. The men feel that you live a life of milk and honey, that kind of abundant lifestyle. It doesn't have to be just monetarily. Men also feel that, you are a person, men view you as somebody who has a very deep and rich inner world. Your inner world is very rich. You are not just all about money and success. For you, the deep intimate relationships also matter. Yeah, a lot of you are hitting some massive milestones, and I'm seeing you guys are celebrating, and people are watching you. I'm seeing all like you are celebrating a success with some of your friends, and you're getting hit on by literally random strangers. They are so attracted by your vibes. You are vibing at a very high frequency. Men see you as somebody whom they would love to have not a family with, not just a relationship, husband, wife, kids, and on a vacation. They would love to try and give you the best they can. I mean, you are the perfect kind of a person, like a fiery, feisty lioness, at the same time, a very good homemaker. When it comes to home, to your home situation, a good mother, a good wife as well. You are also a very balanced person, very balanced and desirable person. You are the person that people, you're very wise, way wiser. Men view you as a very wise person, somebody, the go-to person when they are in difficulty, they are in trouble. All right, Five of Swords. Life has thrown a lot of curveballs, of course, where you literally, this person has broken down. Their swords are all broken. Literally, these are your shields, your boundaries. Those were broken. I'm seeing a lot of you have been through some narcissistic relationships in the past, but you have Three of Swords. You have literally spent your nights crying, literally, but it's in reverse. So what I'm seeing is, narcissists and toxic people in general tend to try and break the other person down, but they did it for a short time, but you guys got right back on your feet, and you guys have manifested the current reality that you have. So the person who tried to break you down is the one who is broken today. You guys have mended everything, and that experience made you way more responsible. Today you are a much more responsible person, somebody who is very wise, somebody who has seen a lot of ups and downs in life, somebody who is mature and reliable. You guys are literally resplendent in your own glory. Today, you're shining brightly, and people are looking up to you. Shapeshifter, transform and unveil your gifts. A lot of you have literally transformed yourself. Transformation. Death is a card of rebirth. A rebirth and transformation has happened in most of your cases. Penguin, the period of darkness that you're experiencing now is passing. Literally, you guys have been through some major dark periods, but that has taught you a lot of difficult lessons. It has made you almost like a saint, especially at your work. You have become way more committed, way more devoted. Like, even in life, you have become, even as a partner, very devoted and committed, because you have learned how painful things can be. So at least you have like resolved that, at least for you, someone else shouldn't be put through that kind of a scenario that you have been put through. I'm seeing relationship wise, you guys have been through some major setbacks. Stay rooted and grounded. You are a very grounded persona. In general, you are a very blessed and rooted and grounded in reality kind of a person. Journey. Daughters of a mother, workers of the unknown, take with you on this journey all that you own. Literally, excuse me, you guys have created your own path in this life. This card typically tells me, men view you as somebody who is self made, somebody who has created their own path and have walked alone in their own journey. Self made kind of a person. Camel. Trust that you have the resources to get through the challenges before you. Literally, you are a person who has the resources today to get through all the challenges that are there in front of you. You are extremely resourceful. Men find you to be extremely resourceful. Dog, your loyalty and faithfulness is misplaced by serving too many masters. Literally, you have realized at last that you served a wrong person. You were with a wrong person, and today that has helped you not just mend your own ways, also mend like the way in which you, like when you are a good person, you are usually, you do not judge others usually, but that's the way the world works. That's not how the world works. Like, people will be judgmental, and people will be two-faced, and I don't know how many other faced, and you have become a better judge of human character in the process. That's what men feel, that this person is a very good judge of human character. Polar bear, stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to outcome. You have a lot of guts to speak up and speak your truth. Yes, and men respect that whistle. Be silent, pay attention, and simply observe with your eyes, ears, and physical feelings what is happening inside and all around you. You are a person who is very observant, very intelligent, somebody who is, like, as I said, very quietly observant kind of a person, because it's your life that has taught you to be this way, because you have been backstabbed earlier. Cheetah, get clear on your intention and stay focused and move quickly to achieve your goals. Yeah, you are a person who is extremely focused and has the capability of moving quickly towards their goals and ambitions. Boar, face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you would emerge victorious. You have the courage to face your problems head on, and that is the root cause of your success. That's how men view you. Mind you, like, you are a fighter. That's how they see you, a fighter. Ladybug, this is a time of good fortune and abundance, so be willing to receive all good things in your life. Yeah, I mean, literally, men feel that the good things that you're receiving is because of a lot of hard work, a lot of determination that you have put in. End of a tough cycle approaches. Capricorn can be significant for a lot of you. End of a tough cycle. Men realize that you have been put through some real difficult, harrowing experiences, and today you have come out as a winner on the other side. Castle, it's time for healing, not war. You are a person, who has managed to heal themselves from their past wounds and injuries. Feather, think first before you judge. You are a person who does not jump to conclusions. You are a very wise person. You try to gauge the situation first before you judge someone else. Stand up for yourself. You have learned at last to stand up for yourself, and men really respect that. Somebody who cannot defend themselves is not really a very respectable person anyways. Take yourself out on a date. You are a person who loves their own company, who is totally all right. They can be alone and not feel lonely. Very secure persona. That's how men see you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Your subscription would mean, your support would mean the world to me. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile two. Let's see how are men viewing you these days. Clearly, lobster financial pinch. Okay. From the tea leaf cards, ladder climbing towards success. Okay, so I'm seeing with this succession, you guys have been through some major financial situations where you felt like finances were really tight, but you climbed towards success. You pulled yourself out of that scenario. Lion, time to act. Of course, you took action and climbed towards success. I'm seeing it. Leg, stepping into a new experience. Of course, you know what, you are somebody who tend to push yourself out of your comfort zone and make yourself get into newer and better experiences. Key successful outcome to your problems. You are somebody who always tries to find a, a, a successful outcome, a solution to your problems. Like you always try to find a key to any problem that life throws at you. The eternal child, you are a very vivacious, lively, very full of life, very bold, youthful, fun loving, and also eternal child also shows men also view you as somebody, not just like people think that you look much younger than your age. That is another thing I'm seeing. Like men see you as somebody who have been through financial crunch but have come out of it. You always tend to push yourself out of your comfort zone and you hold the key to most of the problems. All right, Queen of Wands, yeah, you give off a boss babe kind of vibes. Clearly, a lot of you could be into business, but you have a very domineering position. Nonetheless, whether in business or in jobs, you have a very persistent, persevering, not gonna give up easily, persevering till the end and seeing that you get what you wanted, what you are looking for. You have that kind of a mindset, and that is something that men really also appreciate, because that is a mindset which gives people a lot of success. The Judgment card, you are, with this bright aura, I'm saying you are a social butterfly. Whenever you enter a room, the eyes gets fixed on you, you get a lot of attention. You are a social butterfly, as I said. A lot of you could be Leos, Geminis, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah. You are a person who knows exactly how to impress others. People are very easily impressed. That's what men feel like. This is a person who knows exactly how to be at the right time, at the right place, that kind of and that has given you a lot of success, being at the right place at the right time. You are always motivated towards working harder. And okay, Page of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles, you are very good at making money and also at saving money. You are somebody who have always worked very hard to reach the position you are in. Like from like as a child, as a teenager also, you were very ambitious about making money. Money making endeavors always inspired you. So men see you as somebody who is very good with money. In general, you're very very good with money. Five of Pentacles, you have been through, of course, a financial pinch. The first card that we saw was a financial pinch. You have been through a phase where you would, like, a lot of you probably lost your home. You had to stay up at night. You would have nightmares regarding money. Monetary situation had been really, really bleak. And you felt like almost like as if your life is over. What else can happen? Like how much more bad can happen? That was the situation you were in. Like life had taken away all the good things from your life. That was the scenario for you. That's how you at least felt, that you know what, life has not treated me well, life is not fair to me, that kind of a feeling. But what you didn't observe was, when three cups were taken away, universe offered you the fourth cup. Like when all the windows closed, there was one door, one unexpected big door that opened up for you. You stayed in a situation where you felt totally tied up with this Eight of Swords, tied up in shackles. But that from that position, universe gave you a better opportunity in life. All right, guys, I hope you're having some clarity. If yes, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Your subscription and support means the world to me. Seven of Pentacles, you are a person who is, you know what, you're extremely stable. You have a, like, from here, Five of Pentacles to Seven of Pentacles, this has been a journey, a wild journey. And today you have the financial stability that you always looked for, and you leave with an attitude of gratitude. Men notice that about you. Yeah, wow. Back to Seven of Pentacles. You guys are living your life up from this situation with this Nine of Swords, with Eight of Swords, with that Five of Pentacles situation. Slowly but surely, universe actually offered you a life which was like totally beyond your expectations, and today you are living a way more successful, stable, peaceful lifestyle, and men really appreciate it because it came at a lot of cost for you. Four of Swords, yeah, literally there was a time when you felt totally stuck, like life is only unfair to me. That kind of a mindset for a lot of you, I can see. Six of Pentacles, you know what, so you have come out of it, but there was a time when you felt totally stuck, totally dejected, totally like felt like giving up every single day. You felt like, I am fighting a losing battle. From there to today, you are known for your charities, and men notice that this is a person because you have been through those situations where you felt like life is so difficult. So you try to make someone else's life a little bit easier, a little bit live worthy, because you know that, what, when you don't have enough money, life can get very difficult. You have become a lot more bold in decision making. You have started making more, like taking more risks in life. You have become a more risk taker. You've started living a more adventurous, colorful lifestyle in general. I'm seeing more success, and men also see you as somebody who has become way bolder, as I said, risk taking in nature, more youthful. Yeah, youthful, both like vivacious energy, at the same time the way in which you dress and look. You are aging backwards. Maybe you get that compliment a lot. That's what men feel. Nine of Cups, yeah, you are somebody, you know I'm seeing you get a lot of admiration, a lot of support. Also, you're emotionally very stable, very mature. Your cups are full. So whenever you try, even if whenever you offer your cups to somebody, you know that you'll have to keep your own cup full first, because and that makes you a very stable person. Men see you as a very stable candidate. Yeah, Magician, infinite, they see you as somebody who has infinite potential in manifestation. You have literally, they feel that, manifested this current reality into being. Remember, the Magician has all the four elements of nature at their disposal, and you have used all the four elements of nature to make your life, to turn your life 180-degree around. You guys have literally upgraded your lifestyle, your world, your lifestyle has been upgraded. You guys have literally, I'm seeing, with your own hard work and your manifestation capabilities, a lot of you have had a promotion at job. A lot of you have had a significant increase in pay. I'm seeing you guys are moving around a lot, maybe have a different car that you drive in, different house that you live in. Everything is different, better and upgraded. This star card, you are a person who is extremely, how shall I put it, you are the star. You are getting a lot of limelight, loads of attention. No matter what, you are the star. Seagull. Now is the time for deep emotional healing. You are somebody who have been through a lot of emotional situations where you felt stuck, and today you are going through that healing. You have healed yourself from your past wounds and past traumas. Shift your perception. Men feel like, you know what, today you have transformed yourself, you have healed yourself from the past mistakes and the past traumas, and you have transformed yourself. Like once you improve once you change, once we change our perception. Like, remember, everybody is you or we pushed out. So people also, men also feel that you guys have changed completely. The way in which they judge you today is completely different. They see you today is completely different from the way they saw you 5 years back. You are somebody who has become way bolder. You've faced your problems and fears head on and have come out. Men see you as a more bold, more courageous version of yourself. Platypus, stop complaining and focus your attention on the blessings in your life. Exactly. You have stopped complaining that life has not been fair, this, that, and the other. Rather, you have started concentrating on the blessings, and hence that Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, because you have started concentrating on those people whom you could help, whom you could reach out and help, because you have the means today, and men really appreciate that. Walrus, remain vigilant about the current situation. Pay attention to signs and omens and let them dictate your choices. Literally, you are a person who is extremely, like, you know what, you have been through difficulties. Today you have become a way more silently observant person who can detect, like, you are very good at detecting if there is any threat in your surroundings, and you have become way more observant, and your antennas are always up. That's all I can say. Be brave and honest. Yeah, you are a very brave and honest person, very courageous. Men respect you for that. You have, if you believe in something, you stand up for it. You have the guts to speak out for that. Wolverine, you are a lot tougher than you think you are. Men see you as a very tough person, very emotionally stable and tough. Somebody who can go through hell and come out mm, mostly alive. And yeah, you are a very tough person, and maybe you do not give yourself all that credit where it's due. That is also I'm saying. Chimpanzee, use both your intuition and intellect to solve the problem or get answers to your questions. Yes, you have both, you use both your intellect and your intuition, the right and the left brain both, in order to solve problems. You have a perfect balance between pragmatism and your instincts. You have a perfect balance between this yin and yang energy. Yes, about you. You guys are going through the summers of your life. Men find your vivacious energy, this daring, willing to go the extra mile kind of energy really, really attractive. Slay them all. See, this girl is on one prosthetic foot and going ahead to slay the dragons. Exactly. That's the way you are. You have become that courageous, and men really notice that and appreciate that about you as well. That this is a person who is so courageous and determined. You can always rewrite the story. You guys have literally rewritten your life story. You guys have rewritten where you started and how far you came. You guys have literally rewritten that story. Forgive. You know, you have been through phases when people have done wrong to you. There was a time when you used to struggle with that, when you would be really grumpy about it. But today, this evolved. You have learned to forgive and move on, because that forgiveness is very important for your own self. We are all just stardust. You know, you are a firm believer in the universe and its powers and laws. You are a firm believer that we are all nothing but stardust, and we have come from there and we will end there as well. So you will go back to a bigger home one day. So why get into smaller things and get into trouble unnecessarily? Thrown, your potential is endless. Literally, men feel that you have endless potential about you. They have a lot of respect. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity of your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Your subscription and support would mean the world to me. So if you like my content, please support my channel. Thank. Hello, pile 3. Let's see how are men viewing you these days. Clearly, I hope it's visible. Yeah. The bag, something important such as a new job or a raise. Okay. You guys are winning in life. Okay, archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and pathways opening up. Oh, of course, you guys are getting better opportunities and you guys are at last succeeding in life. And men see you as somebody who is getting success and work achievement success. Like men literally see you as somebody who is extremely hardworking and is today getting the rewards of the hard work. You guys, busy as an ant. You guys have been that busy in life. It's the whole deck was turned upside down. Okay, the father. Clearly, I'm seeing you are a very ambitious, goal oriented. You tend to embody a lot of masculine energy, goal oriented, ambitious, focused, driven. That's how men see you. You are the empress. You embody a lot of masculine energy, but at the same time, also, there is this dichotomy. Wow, very driven, focused, ambitious, goal oriented, at the same time, gorgeous, resplendent in your own glory. You could be embodying all that and can be equally very, very feminine. That's how men view you. Six of Wands, you guys tend to get a lot of attention, and men notice that you are a very much in demand candidate. You have a lot of admirers. You are extremely desirable. You are like, you don't even have to try to get all the attention that you need. That's how men view you. Also, you are a person who never gave up in life. You are like this tortoise who has a lot of grit. You have a lot of grit, not gonna give up no matter what kind of a mindset. Knight of Pentacles, you're very driven. When life has knocked you down, you literally just brushed those knockings away, brushed them away, and got right back on your feet. You have that kind of a zeal, that kind of an enthusiasm about life. You have seen a lot of ups and downs in life. Men see you as somebody who is very wise, somebody who has seen a lot of life, somebody who have grown a lot in life with their own uh, how shall I put it? You have experiences, and with your experiences, you guys have grown wiser in life. The Magician card, yes, you are the alchemist of your own destiny. The remember, men see you as somebody who has literally recreated their own life with their own manifestation capabilities. You're also a hustler. A lot of you are at a higher position. You've worked your way up the hierarchical ladder in your job position. Also, some of you have literally hustled your way up. You have joined hands with other people and you have created a business which is giving you, I'm just giving an example. So you have been a hustler. That's how people, not just men, women alike, people see you as a hustler, somebody who has worked very, very hard. You are a multitasker. You're great at a lot of things, a business owner, an entrepreneur, very entrepreneurial, like very entrepreneurial mindset. Also, a lot of you could be a very good coder, at the same time a very good pastry chef. So that kind of dichotomy I'm seeing, like, very ambitious, focused, driven, at the same time extremely feminine. You have the core feminine qualities about you, strong core feminine qualities about you are also present. So both are present in my opinion, and that's how men view you. This person has both. Knight, a king of swords, you are a very high, you're being seen at least as a very high IQ person. You've always been great in studies, especially the technical stuff, the STEM subjects, then like IT, to cancer research, to things like AI, machine learning, those kind of stuffs, then bitcoins, crypto, those things, very ahead and cutting edge technology are your forte mostly, or you are a very street smart guy into share market and investments and finance and economics, very smart person who has worked their way up using their intellect. Yeah, you are a person, you do not let others decide what you're gonna do with your life. You have decided your life path. Three of Wands, you guys always tend to stand out in the crowd. You guys are seen, men see you as a self-made person, somebody who has created their own life with their own hard work and determination. Somebody, literally, you have created your own life path and you very effortlessly tend to stand out in the crowd. All right, guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your subscription, your support would mean the world to me. So if you like my content, please support. And Three of Pentacles, you are a person, you're being seen as the architect of your own destiny. You have literally carved your life out. A lot of you are coming from a very humble background, but you guys became a master at what you did, mostly by being self-taught. You taught yourself, and today you sell your services at a premium price. So that kind of a success I'm seeing, like very self-made, self-motivated. You're also a very family oriented person, somebody who values family, and family values are very strong in you respect family a lot, and so you are a very family oriented person. Having a family with you is like a win-win for a lot of you. That's how people see you. Five of Wands, yeah, you are extremely, when it comes to your priorities, you know where your priorities lie. You know what your priorities are and where do they lie. You know where to focus, when to focus. You do not give up easily. You are also a great arm candy. Absolutely. You're extremely desirable. You have a lot of admirers, and men are very well aware. Those who are like admiring you, they know that you have a lot of suitors, no matter what. You are also very good with money. You know what? Some people might call you a stingy person, but by and large, what I can see is you have been through struggles and difficulties with money, so you have gotten way better with money. You do not believe in squandering money away at all. Like, seriously, you do not believe in squandering money away at any cost. Four of Pentacles. Okay. So Four of Pentacles twice. Literally, you're very good with money. Your financial literacy, financial acumen, everything is very much on point. Six of Pentacles. You are a person who is also known for their charities. Men see you as a very charitable person, very humane individual, somebody who feels deeply for the have-nots of the society, because you have been there once, and you know when life is difficult, when you do not have enough money, life can get very difficult. You are a very ideal partner material, a long term partner material. That's how you're being viewed, that this is a person who would make a very good husband or a very good wife. That's how people see you. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of flirtatious energy as well, because you know what, you are a very fun loving, very happy go lucky kind of a person. You have a very vivacious energy, colorful, vibrant, attractive energy about you, and that attracts a lot of butterflies. A beautiful flower in general. Okay, the Emperor card twice as well. So what I'm seeing is, you know what? Okay, no, the Emperor. All right, guys. Pile number three. If you're attracted to the second pile, you could go back and watch that as well. A lot of things are coming back to be like very similar. Not the same similar types, but I mean, not the same exact types, but similar. You are a very wise soul, young person with a wise soul. Your wisdom is extremely appreciated by others. You are also like, you know what, you have come a long way in life, but you haven't forgotten where your roots lie, where you're coming from, how far you have come in life. where you were at 5 years back, how hard you had to work to reach wherever you have, and you haven't forgotten all that. That's what I'm seeing. Take charge with authority, Lord. You guys are very driven, extremely focused, and you literally took charge of your life. You became extremely, like, you have a natural leadership qualities about you. You walk the talk, you lead with examples. That's how you're being seen. You are walking on your chosen path. You are very focused on the path that you're on. You're very focused, you know what is right for you, and you're like gracefully, like, you know, I mean, like, you can almost um you can almost have a very focused approach towards life. Like, you don't really flip flop much, you don't get distracted much. You know where you want to reach, when you want to see yourself at. Stand your ground. You are not a pushover. You're very good at standing your ground and doing the things that are right for you. Don't dim to fit in. You are a person who does not believe in dimming their light in order to fit in. You don't believe in dimming your light. You are very unapologetically yourself. I'm getting a lot of Aries, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Leo kind of vibes. A lot of Capricorn as well, very hardworking. Be bold and make the first move. You are a very bold and vivacious persona, very bright, bold, and vivacious persona. Somebody who is not afraid to make bold decisions, and also you'll have to push through those. You'll have to not just making promises, keeping those promises, working on those are also equally important. Move in a new direction. You are a person who has literally, I'm saying, you tend to move a lot, you tend to make a lot of short distance travels. Also, you lead a very adventure filled life. Share your voice. You are somebody who has a very strong voice and opinion of their own. I'm seeing you guys have a very strong voice of your own. When you A lot of you are Geminis, or your second and third houses are very prominent. You guys, like, whenever you speak, you have the gift of the gap. You have the capability of captivating others. You tend to grab people's attention whenever you speak without any issues. Confidence is your key to success. Leo can be significant for a lot of you, and men also view you as a very confident person, driven, confident, focused person, sharp. Trust your instincts to discern the truth of the situation. Yes, your instincts are also very strong. You're very intuitive, very instinctive. Bring love into the situation. Aquarius new moon. Aquarius can be significant for a lot of you. You're pretty ahead of your times, and you love what you do. You do not see your work as a chore. You don't see your responsibilities as a chore. Instead, you do what you love, and you love life in general. You have a very upgraded, energetically, you are a very upgraded, awakened soul, very high vibrational frequency in general. Elk. Stand tall and maintain your dignity no matter what, and others will treat you with respect that you deserve. You are a very dignified persona. Like, as I said, when you speak, others listen. Even if they don't like you, you have such a graceful, dignified personality that people are bound to listen. People are usually forced to listen to you, not in a forceful manner, rather, like, people are captivated. You have a very captivating quality about you. Whenever you speak, others listen. That's the thing. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. You tend to get noticed wherever you go without even trying. You don't even have to try. You get a lot of attention. You could check out pile number 2. I mean, there are loads of similar messages, different circumstances, but similar messages coming out. Crows. express yourself through rhythm and movement by drumming and dancing. A lot of you could be into dancing, into some musical instrument playing, could be like a very strong creative part in your persona. It might not be the main persona, but a lot of you could be like a very good artist on the side. Meerkat, get support from a trusted group of like minded friends. You are like, I'm seeing you guys have a very strong support system of groups of friends around you as well. The morning the world awaits you. You are a very driven person. You tend to embrace each and every day like it's your last day of your life. That's how you work, that's how you approach your problems. Justice is coming. You are extremely justice driven, very focused and justice driven. Sun rays do it for you. You have at last learned to prioritize your own self. You embody the message of self love and self prioritization, and men really respect that about you. You can be your own knight. You are a very strong person, somebody who is courageous, who is focused, who is driven, who doesn't need others. You can very well defend yourself. At least that's how men view you. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 4. Let's see how are men viewing you these days. Bouquet, compliments from an admirer. I'm seeing you guys have, a lot of you guys have secret admirers who are really admiring you from afar. Dagger, fear, worries, tense situations. You guys have been through some real, I'm seeing backstabbing situations. People whom you trusted, whom you thought would be by your side, instead of being by your side, they backstabbed you. But flying news is on the way. You guys are gonna get some positive news. I'm seeing here the news for you is your life is getting better. Yeah, good. Okay, Beetle. Good fortune. I hope it's visible. You guys are getting some major rewards for your work, and recognition rewards for merit basket. You guys are getting some major rewards. You guys are actually receiving the rewards of your hard work. The warrior, you are an ambitious, always very productive, proactive go getter in life, always ready to march along, always ready to do that extra bit in order to achieve whatever you wish to achieve in this life. That's how men view you, a go getter, a productive, proactive go getter in life. All right, the first one is a Three of Swords. Exactly. You guys have been through some scenarios where you kept up at night, and that kept you up at night crying. You would stay there, get up and cry yourself to sleep. That kind of a scenario. Page of Cups. And you know what, once we go through pain, once we realize how deep, like, pain can change anybody. It has changed you guys in a very positive manner. It has given you a very thoughtful inner world. Your inner world is very enriched. Today you have a very deep and rich inner world, inner universe. The Hierophant, you are a person who is like, you are somebody who, you have seen a lot, you have been through a lot. It has given you a lot of enlightenment. Men see you as a person who is extremely enlightened. Yeah, enlightened, very intuitive. A lot of you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, the water signs, the quintessential gorgeous water signs, having a very deep, rich inner world and a very deep insight about life in general. Queen of Cups, you are a person who is very, how shall I put it, you are somebody who is emotionally very mature, very stable, emotionally very nurturing, very stable, very mature. Yeah, you are emotionally also very strong. A very strong individual can be seen. I can see a very strong individual. Even men can actually perceive you as somebody who is emotionally very, very strong, very determined. Yeah, fool to remember, a fool too has always been a fool once. You have been more aggressive, more daring, more, you used to be a more of a risk taker. You would take the risk, you would make the jump, and then think later, or maybe you would repent later. But today you have learned to make more calculated risks. You have evolved. Seeing your current situation, you guys have evolved. That's how men see you. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Your like, shares and subscription means the world to me. So if you like my content, please, 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 please support my channel. It means the world. Really, you are an arm candy. You are, I'm seeing a very affable, approachable kind of a persona. Somebody who is very fun to be with, who is very romantic, caring, at the same time having a very deep, insightful knowledge about perspective about life. Yeah, you are a person who is deep, at the same time a very fun person to be with. Seven of Pentacles. You are somebody who is, I am seeing you as a very hardworking person, extremely hardworking. You guys have worked so hard to reach wherever you have today. You guys have always been very hardworking, and other people, there was a time when others used to take away the credit for the rewards for your work. Today you are getting the rewards of your hard work that you always deserved in the first place. I'm seeing people, men also view you as somebody who has a lot of blessings of the ancestors. This ravens, they typically signify your ancestral blessings. You are also a very responsible. So what I'm saying is, a lot of you had to start working pretty early, like a teenager. You had to take a lot of responsibilities on. Maybe you lost one of your parents earlier. You had to deal with a lot of, like, parents not being there, working all the time, so you had to take care of the household or the younger siblings. Basically, you have to grow up faster, you have to grow responsible, you have to contribute financially in the society. You are probably the eldest child, some of you, not all, or the most responsible one, or at times you also felt like being scapegoated, but probably that's not the case as of now. Through your readings, I don't think you are being scapegoated, but the condition of the family was such. The temperance, you are a very balanced, wise person who has seen a lot of life at a very young age. In your young age also, you guys have seen a lot in life, you have experienced a lot in life, and that has helped you mature into a much evolved human being. Literally, this is the stream of life, and you have dipped your pitcher and you have collected your experiences, and now you distribute those experience, you disseminate those knowledge that you have gathered to others. It makes you a very good coach, a life coach, a mentor figure, a guide, mm, a therapist, a counselor, a marriage counselor, a career counselor. This can be seen. Two of Wands, you guys have come a long, long way in life. You literally hold the key to your destiny. You have come a long way. You have a lot of you have actually gone to a different country, different continent, to set up your family, to set up your career. You came a long way to a different place altogether, different country altogether, and you guys there have set up your life, your career. Queen of Wands, you are a person who is very, I'm seeing a very domineering persona. Today you have evolved so much. You can be very nice, kind, affable, but at the same time, especially at work, you are the boss babe. You are all about work, you are all about business, and men really appreciate, men really respect that everything that you have gotten in life is through hard work, sheer hard work, patience, perseverance, and determination. And that has seen you through during your darker days. And I'm seeing men really understand how far you have come in life. Seven of Cups, you guys are magic manifestors. Men literally feel that you guys have manifested everything that they could only wish for in this life in a very shorter time period. Like, men literally feel that this is a person who is such a great manifester. Anyways, justice, you are also, a lot of you could be related to the law and lawyers and advocates and stuff like that, but most of you are activists. But most of you, I'm seeing you guys are very fair and just people. Men view you as somebody who has the guts. If you believe in something, if you feel that some wrong is being done, you stand up, you speak out, and that is something that makes you really special, makes you really yeah, you are the emperor. The emperor is, you have reached a position in life through your hard work, sheer determination, capability. You have reached a position of stability in your life. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, it's through your own hard work, through your own patience and perseverance. You have burnt your own midnight oil, through which you have reached a position of power. You have reached a position in your life which others really respect you for. Yes, Seven of Wands, you are a person who stands up, who knows what is right for them. If you feel that this is the right thing to do, you are willing to stand up against everything. Like, if you are become the only one person standing, you're willing to be that way. You are a very steed first. You know how to stand your ground. You're not a pushover. You can't be bought. You're very strongly opinionated kind of a person. That's how men see you. Yeah, you're a very wise soul. See, way wiser. How wise this person is, way wiser beyond their age. You're a very wise soul, very wise persona. Very wise persona. Three of Cups. You guys are celebrating some major wins in life. I'm seeing you guys celebrating some major wins in life. Like, people are, like, you are getting a lot of limelight because you're winning in life currently after a lot of hardship. Blue Moon, believe in the impossible. You are a person who always believed that things will turn around. Their life, your life is gonna turn around for better. Even no one else, when nobody else trusted you, you guys had the faith in the impossible. You believed in this blue moon that it's gonna happen to me. Even if you guys don't believe it, doesn't matter whether you believe in me or not, because it is gonna happen to me, no, nonetheless. All right. Honeybee, first of all, you're very hardworking. Let compassion and forgiveness be your top priority in this situation. You're also very compassionate, very forgiving, very nurturing, very caring. Be the light, white witch. You are like that ray of light in the sea of darkness for a lot of people. My dear pile number 4, I'm seeing you guys tend to attract a lot of difficult souls, like souls who are in difficulty, because they tend to be like easily attracted towards you because of your aura, high vibrational aura that you have. Trust your instincts. Your intuition power are usually on point. Feel some way about something or some issues, and they usually tend to come true. Your premonitions usually tend to come true. And have faith in your dreams. Men literally are astounded by the fact that this is a person who always believed, even when they were not succeeding, that they are gonna really make it big. Warrior coming twice. You are a fearless and strong person. You stand strong no matter what. Rattlesnake, the experiences that you are presently going through are an initiation into fulfilling your purpose as a healer. A lot of you could be doctors, therapists, psychiatrists, dentists, nurses, naturopaths related to the medical field, or a spiritual healer, a Reiki healer. Age of Light, you guys are literally like a ray of light. You guys tend to attract a lot of disturbed souls. I'm repeatedly getting that message. Embrace the energy of peace. You are also a very peaceful person, somebody who does not want, need rather, a lot of attention in this today's hyper connected world. You don't need a lot of attention. You are happy where you are. Follow the voice of your soul. You are a person who speaks their mind, who speaks the voice of their soul. Be open to healing informations. You guys are like, your presence is extremely healing. Your presence is extremely healing. Yeah, you have a lot of you are actually either doctors, like conventional healers, or spiritual healers. And men see you like, even on men, the effect is you have a very cathartic effect on men. Most men, they also want a person, a partner. They see you as a long term partner material. Step out of your comfort zone. You are usually somebody who is very hardworking, who is always pushing themselves to do that extra gorilla. Take the time to listen compassionately to those you love, especially your family members. You are a person who is extremely compassionate, and especially towards your family members, you're extremely diligent. You healer. You know, Constantly I'm getting the healer message. A lot of you are natural healers for sure. Wolf, devour the ferocious calling within the howling of your spirit. Run wildly into the freedom of your knowing. You guys are like the lone wolf. You don't mess with others until someone else tries to rub you the wrong way, and then you have the capability of literally ripping people apart. You tend to give off a lot of intimidating vibes. Men find you, a lot of those men actually would love to date you, but they are scared. They don't dare to tell you that. They feel that prosperity lies at Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo can be significant for, yeah, Virgo can be healer. Yes, of course, Virgo can be sun, moon, rising, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury's, anything in Virgo. Exalted Mercury can be seen. Okay, so what I'm seeing is, you guys men feel that you are a person who is going to be really prosperous going forward, and you have take time to breathe out. You tend to work too much. Men feel that you tend to work, this person tend to be too hardworking. Take time to reflect. Self reflection is another part of the puzzle. Men feel that you are, in spite of coming this far in life, you are still very, very self reflecting in nature. Expect a powerful change. They men literally feel that, most people you meet and mingle with, they feel that you're gonna make it really big in life. You're good enough. Your Virgo can be significant, of course. Leo can be significant. Men literally feel that you are more than good enough. Like, probably some of you tend to suffer from imposter syndrome, but that is absolutely that, just an imposter syndrome, and not, you are a very capable person. Don't let pride get into the way. Men also find you to be very humble, and that is very attractive as well. Stand up for yourself. You are a very compassionate soul, but you have learned that if you don't respect yourself, no one else is going to do that for you. Feather, think first before you judge. You have become a way, you have been judged left, right, center at a certain point in your life. So you have learned that judging people at the first brush is probably not the right thing to do. All right, guys, I hope you have some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please, please, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Your support, your subscription would mean the world to me. So please support my channel. Thank you. Namaste.